I'll be on the YouTube. Okay, I think we're good to go. And let's see, Mr. Roman is there. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Ms. Pompa, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I can see a little head right there.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand y'all have met with the Assistant Attorney General. There's an agreement that has been reached in this matter. I just need to put everything on the record so we can finalize everything today. Okay. So at this time, the court is calling call number 2021 DCM 0440. This is a hearing on a petition filed by the Attorney General's office, a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. There appears to be one minor child before the court. Parties in this case are Marco Roman and Giselle Pompa, who are present before me on the Zoom application. The Zoom application or Zoom hearing, since we cannot appear in court because of the current pandemic crisis that's going on in our community. However, the Supreme Court of the State of Texas, the Office of Court Administration, and the local Council of Judges have permitted us to conduct our hearings remotely, and we're doing so on the Zoom application. Further, in compliance with the Texas rules open to the public, this matter is being live streamed on the YouTube channel. However, as soon as this hearing is concluded, that live stream will be taken off the YouTube channel. I'm also recording the evidence on the computer-generated system, and that is the official record of our proceedings here today. I'll ask accordingly, not to talk over each other. I'm going to ask Ms. Strathman, who has visited with both of you, to believe there's an agreement to be made and has been reached in this matter. I'm going to ask her to recite the agreement. Then I'll ask you both if this is what you all have agreed upon. All right. Ms. Pressman, what is the agreement in this matter?
The agreement in this matter, Judge, good morning. The agreement in this matter, Judge, is that the parties are going to be named joint managing conservators. There is going to be a geographic restriction on the residence of the child to El Paso County, Texas. Access and possession is going to occur with Mr. Roman having possession of the child from Friday at 2 p.m. until Sundays at 2 p.m. Ms. Pompa will have the child at all other times. They apparently work together quite well, Judge. So we're putting this down kind of as the backup, but they work very well together on sharing this child. The child support is going to be set at $218 per month beginning June 1, 2021, and there will be a $60 health insurance reimbursement for government health insurance. There is no request for retro. As Mr. Roman, first, he was with the child until the end of December, and then through this year, he has provided direct payments of over $1,000 to the child. So we are not requesting any retroactive support. The parties have agreed that I may go ahead and draft the order, Your Honor, and present it to you for your signature, and then send them copies once I've acquired your signature on the agreement.
All right. Okay. Mr. Roman, you heard the agreement as recited by the Attorney General. Is this what you?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Pompa, is this your agreement as well, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. Having heard the parties stipulate on the record with regard to this agreement, the court finds that this agreement is in the best interest of the child, and therefore the court will adopt the agreement that has been reached and stipulated on the record. All right, so at this point in time, Ms. Stratton will go ahead and prepare the order as we have just stipulated on the record. She'll send it to me. Once I receive it, I will sign it. The order will then be filed with the clerk's office, and parties will be sent a copy of the order once it's been signed and filed. Okay?
Okay.
Are there any questions from either party, Mr. Roman, Ms. Pompa? Any questions?
No, sir, not for me.
For me, on the order that we're gonna end up getting, that
Okay.
and it starts telling me when I have to make.
Okay, so you broke up a little bit. I couldn't hear everything that you said.
So on the order that we're gonna end up getting, that's where it's gonna say where I have to send my payments and when I have to start making my payments.
Yes, sir. It'll have a
Okay.
box. It'll have a PO box for the what we call the state. It's a PO box in San Antonio. But they'll all that information is going to be contained in the order.
Okay.
Okay. You have any other questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, that will conclude our hearing for today. Thank you all very much for your appearance and your participation. Court always appreciates parties working out. It looks like parties are being reasonable with each other and don't have any concerns about that. So that will conclude our hearing for today. Parties are. Thank you all very much. Be careful. Be safe out there. You're free to
Thank
go.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Likewise.
guys.